Fast fashion sustainability. Fast fashion has transformed how we shop for clothing by giving the general public access to reasonably priced, stylish options. But the environment and society pay a heavy price for this convenience. In this essay, we examine the idea of rapid fashion, examine how it affects sustainability, and discuss strategies for fostering a more ethical fashion sector. 1. Understanding fast fashion. Fast fashion cycles and ongoing product turnover are what define fast fashion as the quick creation and consumption of affordable goods. In order to satisfy consumer demand for the newest trends, it places an emphasis on speedy distribution and low-cost manufacture. 2. Environmental impact. Fast fashion leads to environmental degradation through high carbon emissions, excessive water use, and textile waste. Every stage of the supply chain has a substantial environmental impact, from the usage of synthetic fibers through chemical-heavy dyeing procedures. 3. Labor exploitation. Fast fashion leads to environmental degradation through high carbon emissions, excessive water use, and textile waste. Every stage of the supply chain has a substantial environmental impact, from the usage of synthetic fibers through chemical-heavy dyeing procedures. 4. Consumer awareness. Growing public awareness of the damaging effects of fast fashion is essential for promoting long-lasting change. By choosing eco-friendly and ethical products, purchasing used or vintage clothing, and embracing the minimalist philosophy to cut back on consumption, consumers may make a difference. 5. Sustainable fashion initiatives. The industry is seeing a growth in sustainable fashion projects as a response to the negative consequences of quick fashion, the use of recycled and organic materials, encouragement of regional craftspeople, and adoption of circular economy models that promote recycling and upcycling are a few of these. 6. Collaboration with designers. That is crucial to involve fashion designers in the sustainability movement. It is possible to completely transform the industry by encouraging designers to use sustainable methods and materials. Designers may influence change and establish new trends by displaying environmentally friendly collections and encouraging sustainable innovation. 7. Government regulations. The environmental and ethical practices of the fashion business are greatly influenced by government legislation. Legislation that encourages accountability, fair labor practices, and sustainable production can inspire brands to use ethical business practices. 8. Education and research. Promoting sustainable fashion requires spending money on research and teaching. Future generations of fashion professionals can be given the tools they need to affect positive change in the business by promoting innovation and educating themselves about sustainable practices. If you want to read more of this article, then click the link in description for this article. Go and read this article. Thank you.